Hi, my name is Ashley Risch, and this is my Lab1 command line interface assignment. The first thing I'm going to do is identify my IP address using the GUI. So I'm going to come up to the Apple icon in the upper left-hand corner and click System Preferences. From there, I'm going to select Network, and here's where I can find my IP address, which is 192.168.0.24. Now I'm going to open a terminal. So I'm going to go to my Finder, and under my Applications, I'm going to go into my Utilities folder. Once inside my utility folder, I would double click Terminal, but I already have a terminal window open. So the first thing I'm going to do in my terminal is to identify my IP address by typing ifconfig and then scrolling up a little bit, and right here inet, and then it has my IP address, which is 192.168.0.24. After that, I'm going to display the contents of my list directory by typing ls, and then we can see all the different directories I have. And now I'm going to clear my screen by typing clear and hitting enter. After that, I'm going to create a directory, so I'm going to make a directory, and I'm going to call it Lab1. Now that I've created my new directory, I'm going to switch to that new directory by typing cd and then Lab1 to change directories. After I have changed to my new directory, we can tell because it says we are in the Lab1. I'm going to ping my local gateway, so ping, and then so we don't have to sit here too long, I'm only going to do 5 packets, and that's what the -C 5 is for. And then type in my IP address, and my 5 packets of information come in, and then it confirms that they have been transmitted and received. After that, I'm going to ping my favorite website, or one of my favorites, Instagram.com, and I'm going to put the output of, again, just those 5 packets of information into a text file named ping. And then after that's done and finished, I am going to display the contents of my file to make sure they made it. So I'm going to type cat, or cat, and then ping.txt. And we can see that they are there. Those are the 5 packets for Instagram, and they have been transmitted and received. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename my file. So mv, and then the old name was ping.txt, and I'm going to rename it to myping.txt. After I've done that, I'm now going to delete that file, so I'm going to remove that file, myping.txt. The next thing it's asking me to do is to trace the route, which sometimes can take a little bit. So I have already done that. So I did trace route and then www.kent.edu, and as you can see, it has finished. So, and then the last thing it wants me to do is to delete my new directory. So before I do that, I'm actually going to switch back to my original directory that I am usually in, and now I'm going to remove the directory I created, Lab1. And it looks like that's it for Lab1. So thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.